Hello everyone, you're welcome to the Nati Guide. Today's video is about the AI content assistant called Easy Peasy. EasyPeasy.ai helps you to save time and it also helps you to produce polished content quickly and easily. This is how the platform looks like. At the sidebar, there is home. When I click on this, I can see some features. The home button has some recommended tools. There is chat. When I click on chat, there are options where you can chat with PDFs, like you want to summarize a PDF, you can do that. And you can create AI art and images. When I click on template, there are some templates over here that you can use to your advantage. You can generate paragraphs, you can rewrite paragraphs, you can generate SEO descriptions. You can go through some of this and use them to your advantage. There is long form editor. You can generate AI images with this platform. You can also convert text, AI text to speech. You can transcribe audios and videos, and you can generate brand voice. You can also upgrade the plan for better experience. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and share.